Mga kapuso, this morning atong ilailahon ang proud Misamisnon kinsa mo bandera sa atong probinsya sa ipahigayong Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2022 National Pageant. Walay lain atong makauban this morning ang Miss Kuyamis 2020 second runner-up nga si Miss Sheena Mae Balansag. Miss Sheena, good morning and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta mo diha?
Good morning mga kapusong Mindawanon and Misamisnon. So far, I'm doing good despite of the pandemic that we are facing right now and also for the typhoon that I'm staying here in Cebu and we're really affected by the typhoon, but so far still looking positive for the situation.
Glad to hear, Sheena, nga anaa mo sa maayong kahimtang despite all the challenges sa milabay nga tuig. Pero Sheena, una nato hisgutan no ang imong nagkaduol nga pageant nga apilan. Unsa ba ang background story nimo diyang misulod ka sa pageantry? Unsa ba ang storya likod ani?
Well, I never thought you'd to be part in this industry, in the world of pageantry, or shall I say in the world of full of makeups, because way back in my college days, I never put any makeups on. Like, I was not the typical kind of girl na girly. I was the kind of boyish. I even played basketball and volleyball way back in my college days. And it all started when I was in fourth year college. Like, our department had to choose one representative to represent our school for the Miss JPA. Since I was an accounting technology student, so my friends and my classmates really pushed me to screen for fun. And so I said to myself, why not try it? So I gave it a shot, and luckily I was chosen to be the representative of our school. And somehow the Miss JPA sets as the stepping stone for me. It opened a lot of doors for me in the world of pageantry.
Sa imong pagsulod sa pageantry, Miss Sheena, unsa ba ang mga kalisod no nga imong naagian? Labi pa nga na-mention nimo nga bag-uhay pa kaani. Na ba kay mga doubts pod sa imong kaugalingon ug paunsa man nimo gilampasan ang tanang challenges sa imong palibot ug sa imong kaugalingon?
Oh, well, yes, I really do have a lot of challenges in the starting of my pageantry. Many people were doubting me because I'm still a newbie in the industry pa. But then I just surround myself with positive people, with my friends, family, and my classmates. I'm really happy for what I am doing, and I'm really going for the positive things and do things that I really love and what makes me happy.
Lantaw nimo, Miss Sheena, asa ba kagakuha og kusog o inspirasyon nga mopadayon sa imong pagkabot sa imong pangandoy nga mahimong usa ka successful beauty queen?
Well, actually, I made myself as an inspiration to become more successful as a beauty queen, challenging myself to do well, to do more, and to become a better version of myself.
Karon tuiga, Miss Sheena, nakatakda kang moapil sa Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2022. What are the preparations that you are doing right now for the said pageant?
Yes, Hiyas ng Pilipinas is fast nearly approaching. And with regards as to how I prepared, I really focus on the weakness of my phase of the competition, the swimsuit competition. I really do find myself weak in that phase of competition. But somehow I'm working on it, dieting, exercising, because I really do love rice. I do really love carbs, sweets, and somehow with the Hiyas ng Pilipinas is fast approaching. So I really need to double and work more for my physical aspect talaga.
Siyempre, aron mas mailan pa ka sa itong mga kapuso viewers, Miss Sheena, labi na sa mga Misamisnon, unsa ba ang advocacy nga imong ginahawiran o ginapromote gamit ang imong platform?
Well, my advocacy focuses on the mental health awareness because of the pandemic that we are facing right now. The depression is very rampant, and I know quite a few people who lost their loved ones due to these issues, and it's very heartbreaking. And by raising mental health awareness, we would most likely be able to let them feel that they are not alone, that they matter, and that they just need one kind of person who will listen to them and let them know that they are heard. And we should always remember that our mental health really matters, and it's very important in our lives as it really affects our lives also.
Sanglit nagkadool na gayod ang pageant nga imong apilan, Miss Sheena. Let's invite our kapusog Misamisnons to support you on your future endeavors.
Hello, kapusong Misamisnons. I am inviting you to please support me on my journey for the Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2022. Please do follow our page on Facebook and on Instagram, Hiyas ng Pilipinas, for more updates. Thank you so much.
Daghang kayong salamat, Miss Sheena Balansag, sa imong oras nga gihatag dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. All the best kanimo og sa imong journey as a beauty queen.
Thank you so much po.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.